Under 15,000 pounds for a brand new crossover? That's not a mistake, folks. This is the 2025 Dacia Sandero Stepway, and it might just be the smartest car buy of the year. Let's take a closer look. I'll cut straight to it. If you're shopping on a budget but don't want to feel like you've settled, this lifted Sandero deserves your attention. With its rugged body cladding, roof rails, and raised ride height, it looks twice its price tag. Turn the key, and the 1-liter turbo engine springs to life. 90 horsepower won't set your pulse racing, but around town, it feels perfectly adequate. What really impresses is the ride quality. Those raised suspension components soak up urban road imperfections like cars from several classes above. Pop the door open, and the surprises continue. The interior is shockingly spacious, offering more room than city cars costing the same money. With 328 liters of boot space, it embarrasses the Fiat 500 and even some supposedly bigger rivals. The cabin isn't fancy, but it's refreshingly straightforward. Actual buttons and dials instead of frustrating touchscreen controls for everything. Opt for the Expression trim around 16 grand, and you'll get decent tech too. An 8-inch touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, rear parking sensors, and keyless entry. Not bad at all. Now, we need to address the elephant in the room, that 2-star Euro NCAP safety rating. Here's the truth. The actual crash protection is decent. What pulled the score down was the lack of driver assistance features like lane keeping assist. So while it won't actively help you avoid accidents like pricier cars, it'll protect you reasonably well if the worst happens. For efficiency fans, there's even a bi-fuel LPG option that could slash your running costs. The standard petrol manages around 50 mpg, which is solid for a car with crossover styling. Look, the Sandero Stepway isn't trying to be premium. What it offers is honest, unpretentious transportation with surprising comfort, genuine practicality, and jaw-dropping value. In a world of overpriced cars with features you might never use, there's something refreshing about that approach. So would you consider saving thousands with this budget-friendly crossover, or do you need those extra bells and whistles? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.